This is the VNC lab, and we will use the Qutro pod for this lab. And in this lab, we will install Wireshark, verify and configure IP settings, tune a firewall to allow inbound VNC connections, set up VNC services, and view encrypted VNC communication. So we'll go in here and check the IP address on PC1A and verify that the settings are correct. Check the IP settings based on how you learned from previous labs. Verify that the IP address is correct. Now we will tune the firewall to allow VNC to pass through on the server. So we go to Start, go to Control Panel, Windows Firewall, click on Exceptions. Go to Add Port, name Real VNC. With the port number 5900 and click OK. Take a screenshot so that it shows that everything was correct. You close that out, and now you'll go to the location of Wireshark in the file system. Click on Start, go to My Computer, Local Disk C, SEC150 folder, and install Wireshark. Take the defaults for the installation. After you install Wireshark, you will then install the VNC server. Now that Wireshark finished, now click on the VNC server and install that. When you get to the license part, click on Trial License. Click on Trial License here. Now enter a password that you'll be able to remember. And after this, you hit OK. You will not need to create a new firewall exception since you already did one. You can click No here and finish. Now you'll take a screenshot of this status box. Now click on Options and note the encryption settings. And take a screenshot of this. Change setting, make sure the encryption is always on. And close out. Now go to PC1B and install the VNC viewer on the client PC, which is PC1B. First, verify the IP address settings, make sure they're correct. Now that you can see that they're correctly set up, You will now go and install the VNC viewer by going to the control panel, to My Computer, going to SEC 150, and clicking on VNC and setting up the client. So just check on VNC viewer. So uncheck everything but VNC viewer and install. Once that installs, go back to PC1A and start Wireshark and start the capture. Go to the programs, find Wireshark. Go to interface list. Click on that and click start. On PC1B, start the VNC viewer. Set the server to 172.16.1.73. Set the encryption to always on. And then click connect. Now take a screenshot of this. Now you have to type the password that you created. And now you can see the Wireshark capture traffic. Now take a look at the first 20 packets and you'll see a larger transmission from the server to the client at around packet 10 or so. And you'll see the certificate and key coming down. And just look at the different traffic as the PC is communicating, and you can observe the captured traffic. Now take a screenshot of PC1B and the window connected with the VNC viewer to PCA1. And this concludes the VNC lab.